Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be coloring this beautiful woman's hair pink, okay? And we're going to be bleaching it. And guess what? She's still going to have all her hair. So you want to make sure that you comb through the hair. I use a pick and then I use a wide teeth comb. You really want to get through every strand because when you're bleaching hair, you do not want to use a comb. And make sure you're wearing gloves, please. I'm just crazy. You should wear gloves though. So I start from the bottom, and as you can see, I paint on top of the hair, and then I get into the scalp. Alrighty, and I have an in-depth tutorial on how I bleach hair and wash it out and all that good stuff. So if you want to check that out, the card is it's gonna pop up somewhere in the video. Okay. So as you can see, I take the brush and I'm just daggering it into her scalp. I want to make sure that the bleach is evenly distributed from scalp to roots. I want that bleach to get in there, you know. Shout out to Popeyes. So we're using one of their plastic bags to, marinate this bleach. We're going to leave it in her hair for about 40 minutes. It is her first bleach treatment, so that's why I leave it in there for that long. Okay, so I'm just going to compress the air and press it in. Tie that up. You can use a shower cap, but like I said, why not just, I know it looks ghetto, but you're throwing it away anyway. Yes, as you can see, her hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I sprayed some water back in her hair and I put a little bit of deep treatment in there as I am coloring the hair. So the color I'm using today is called Raspberry Twist from Adore. This is a semi-color rinse. And I do not recommend that you go and dye your hair the same day that you bleach. Like, I promise you, you will wash your hair and feel all scalp. Okay? If you're going to bleach your hair, make sure you wait at least a week with dirty hair to go back in with color. But if you want to color it the same day, you got to use a semi-rinse. And this rinse is really, really good, okay? So as I apply this to her hair, I'm going to tie it down for a good 30 minutes. I rinse it out 3 times. And then I gave her a nice deep treatment and left the treatment in for 45 minutes. So now I'm prepping the hair. Alrighty. The gel that I'm using is from the Main Choice. However, you can use the Eco Styler castor oil gel. This gel, it's kind of pricey, you know? So you can use a sponge, but I'm using my fingers because I wanted the curls to just look more natural flowing, if that makes sense, okay? There's a lot of product in her hair. So, obviously when I'm done this process, I wait for it to dry and I saturate the gel with water just to have the curls not look stiff, when it dries. I want it to look really nice and just natural flowing. So I comb down the edges, sides, I wipe off any excess products. And then you will see the magic. Look at that definition. Yes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. It's all free.